Hey guys, I'm Mickey, one of the co-founders of Flair AI, and today I'm super excited to show you how to generate AI men to sell your products. Typically, if you scroll through Twitter or YouTube, you're going to see a lot of male founders generating these really bodacious women, but men are consumers too. And it would be a shame not to represent them and their needs with AI. So, if you're selling men's clothing or products, this is the tutorial for you. Today, we're going to generate a photo shoot for this comfy pattern fleece with Flair AI. It would be a First, head to Flair AI and click Get Started for free. Next, click the fashion category in Workflows. Now you're going to upload a high-resolution data set containing photos of your fleece. Make sure that the models and poses are diverse. Next, adjust the model strength 2.9 to preserve the details of your fleece and start training. After 2 hours, we're going to adjust the prompt to place our model on a cliff. Perfect. We can adjust his pose to make him crouch down, or we can put him in front of a campsite fire. Finally, let's change it a little bit more and put him next to a black lab. So cute. So that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or DM me on LinkedIn or Twitter. On the other hand, if you are a team and if you're interested in Flair's new private collaborative editor, please email sales@flair.ai. You'll have a shared team space. In the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful day and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.